morning students. Today we will discuss about the factorization topic. Most of the students are having difficulty on factorization. So today I am discussed easy way how to factorize quadratic polynomial. Carefully listen, you will get idea on factorization. Okay. Now I am going to discuss quadratic polynomial factorization. See here, first of all I am taking an example. X square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, to factorize, what is mean by factorize? Factorize means which number it is exactly divisible, that number we called as factor of given number. Okay, for example 9. For 9, what are the numbers exactly divisible? See here, 1 number and 3 number and 9 number. So these are the factors of 9. Same thing here, x square plus 5x plus 6 per given polynomial, which polynomials exactly divisible. So to calculating that, we have some process. That is first process, step 1. First of all, multiply constant and coefficient of x square. Okay, here constant is 6 and coefficient of x square is 1. Now after multiplied you will get 6. So here we are taking product of constant and coefficient of x square. Got it? Now step 2. Write all possible factors of 6. Factors of 6 we are writing here. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, now step 3. Which two numbers product you will get 6? Those factors consider. See here, 1 into 6 you will get 6 and 2 into 3 also you can get 6. Okay, 1 6 are 6 and 2 3s are 6. So in this apply sign plus and minus. Okay. Now step 4. Here they mention plus. Okay. Now we are applying here plus minus. Step 4. For 1 and 6. First of all I am taking plus combination. Plus. You will get plus 7. And if you multiply plus 1 into plus 6, you will get 6. Okay. Here we are step 4. What we are doing? Sum of these two numbers and product of these two numbers we are taking, and we are taking some signs to these numbers. First one, we consider both numbers should have same sign. Then what we get here, plus 1 plus 6 7 and plus 1 into plus 6 6. Okay. We did here sum and product. Next, plus 1 in plus 1 minus 6. Here you will get minus 5. Plus 1 into minus 6. Here you will get minus 6. Okay. Next, minus 1 plus 6 equal to plus 5. Minus 1 into plus 6. You will get minus 6. Okay. Next, both numbers having same sign. So minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 you will get. Minus 1 into minus 6 you will get plus 6. Okay, same way, and another number also consider it. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 5. Plus 2 into plus 3, you will get plus 6. Next, minus 2, plus 3, plus 1 you will get. Minus 2 into plus 3, minus 6. Next, plus 2, minus 3, you will get minus 1. Plus 2 into minus 3, here you will get minus 6. Next, both numbers having same sign. Minus 2, minus 3. So here you will get minus 6. Next, minus 2 into minus 3. Here you will get plus 6. Okay. Now here observe which number can possible for given polynomial. Here we have x coefficient is plus 5 and constant is 6. So which two numbers if you consider, you will get plus 5 and plus 6. To getting of middle x coefficient, we should consider sum of the number or difference of the number should get plus 5 and the product of this number you should get 6. So which number you can get plus 5 and plus 6? Which case you will get? Say here we are not getting plus 7 plus 6. Here also. So these all cases we are not getting. And what about other here? Here we are getting plus 5 and plus 6. It is suitable for given polynomial. And remaining all cases it is false. So write it here. Now for step 5, splitting that plus 5x. Okay. Middle term we are splitting x square. Which numbers possible? Those numbers we are considering here. Plus 2x plus 3x. And what is the constant here? Plus 6. Okay. Plus 5x we split it. Got it? Now x common. X plus 2. Same polynomial, write it here. X plus 2. And in front which number is left? Plus 3. Okay. Now which number? Common it plus x plus 2 is common. And here x is left. And here plus 3 is left. So here factors of x square plus 5x plus 6 is x plus 2 and x plus 3. This is a process you can get the polynomials factors. Okay. Very easy way. What are the factors you are getting, and after writing these factors write step 3. Which numbers you can get a constant number. Consider those factors and multiply it. And those pairs only apply all sides. Plus plus minus minus plus into minus minus into plus. So after applied which numbers can possible for given polynomial, then you will get the factors. This is the way to factorize quadratic polynomial. Got it everyone? Yeah, another example for factorization quadratic polynomial. If a constant x square coefficient having any another number other than 1, how to do this quadratic polynomial? See here my example number is 2x square plus 3x minus 5. Okay, and first step what we are doing, constant and coefficient of x square we are multiplying. So minus 5 is a constant and x square coefficient is plus 2. So after multiplied you will get minus 10. Now what is the step 2? Writing all factors of 10. Okay, 10 factors is 1, 2, 5 and 10. And next step 3, we are writing possible pairs to getting 10. 1 into 10 you will get 10 and 2 into 5 also you will get 10. Okay, now what we are doing, we are applying possible sign to this pair. So my plus 1 plus 10 you will get plus 11. And plus 1 into plus 10 you will get plus 10. Okay, next minus 1 into plus 10 you will get here minus 10. Minus 1 plus 10, here this summation is you will get plus 9. Okay, next plus 1 minus 10 minus 9 plus 1 into minus 10 you will get here minus 10. Next minus 1 minus 10, so minus 11. Minus 1 into minus 10 plus 10. Okay, here no possible number to taking. Here middle term is 3 and constant is 5. Can we get here those numbers? No. So another possible pair is 2 and 5. Now apply sign to this 2 and 5. Plus 2 plus 5 you will get plus 7. Plus 2 into plus 5, here plus 10. Minus 2 plus 5, here you will get plus 3. And minus 2 into plus 5 minus 10. Okay, so here plus 3 minus 5, so here you will get plus 3 and product is minus 10 now, so you will get plus 3 minus 10. Middle x coefficient is plus 3 and the product of this is minus 10, so satisfying this pair, so we are selecting this pair. Okay, now apply it. 2x square plus 3x minus 5. Now 2x square, here number is minus 2x plus 5x minus 5. Now in this which is common? 2x is common. Now left term is here x and here no number, so write it 1. Next, same polynomial, write it here also, x minus 1. Now, in front, which number is left? 5. Okay, 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into minus 1, minus 2x. Plus 5 into x, plus 5x, plus into minus, 5 ones are 5. Got it? Now, which is common here? X minus 1 is common. And in this, which is left? 2x. And here, plus 5. These are the factors of given polynomial. This is the way to calculate factors of given polynomial if x square coefficient having any number rather than 1. Got it everyone? Same process. First step is taking product constant and x square coefficient. After getting product, we are writing factors of possible factors of given whatever the product we got it. After that, possible pairs. Then we apply plus and minus signs to this possible pairs. Whatever the possible pair we are getting satisfying this given polynomial, we consider those and we split it. After that we got it factors. Got it? Now factorization of cubic polynomial. How to do cubic polynomial? Present which textbooks we are using. In the textbooks we don't have this process. In earlier textbooks we have this process. So I am explaining this process. Please follow it, and very easy way to factorize the cubic polynomial. First of all, we learned quadratic polynomial, how to do factorization. So first we reducing cubic polynomial to quadratic polynomial. For that, what we are doing, we are reducing this. In this we are cancelling one term. So after that you will get quadratic polynomial. So look at here, which is given to us 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. So in this, what is the constant? Minus 3. For minus 3, what are the factors? 1 and 3. So for 1 and 3, plus and minus we are going to take. Here x equal to, first of all we are taking plus 1. Okay. Here coefficients of all terms. Plus 3 with sign also, plus 3, minus 5, minus 11, minus 3. Okay na? Now here first step we are taking 0. Plus 3, 0, how much you will get? Plus 3. Okay, plus 3 into plus 1, multiply it, plus 3. And subtract it, you will get minus 2. Minus 2 into plus 1, minus 2. So here you will get minus 13. Minus 13 into plus, minus 13. So here you will get minus 16. So in this case, are we getting last number as 0? No. So x plus 1 not equal to, it is not factor of given polynomial. Okay now? So what we have to do? Consider minus 1. It is not satisfied, consider another number. Plus 3, minus 5, minus 11, minus 3. Okay, same process. First step 0. Now plus 3 you will get. Plus into minus, minus. 3 ones are 3. So here you will get minus 8. Again minus into minus, plus. 8 ones are 8. So here you will get minus 3. Minus into minus, plus. 3 ones are 3. So minus 3 plus 3 you will get 0. So here we got last number as 0. So it is satisfied. So one of the factor of the given cubic polynomial is x minus x plus 1. Got it? When you are writing in a polynomial, this becomes plus 1. So it is x plus 1 polynomial. For given polynomial, one of the factor x plus 1. Got it? Now here how many numbers left? 3 numbers. So convert into quadratic polynomial. First number consider as the x square coefficient, and second number consider as x coefficient, and third number consider as constant. Okay, 3x square minus 8x minus 3. This is the quadratic polynomial. And in previous class we discussed quadratic polynomial factorization. So apply that method. First multiply x square coefficient and constant. You will get minus 9. Now write the all factors of 9. And possible pairs here. 1 into 9, 3 into 3. Okay. Now apply to getting a minus 8. Apply to all sign. Minus 9, minus 1, minus 9, you will get minus 10. And minus 1 into minus 9, you will get plus 9. Is it satisfying? We should get minus 8. So which number can we get? 1 minus 1 plus 9. Here you will get plus 8. Minus 1 into plus 9. You will get minus 9. Okay. Next plus 1 minus 9. minus 8 plus 1 into minus 9. Here you will get minus 9. So minus 8 to get that possible pair is plus 1 minus 9. Okay, write in order. 3x square. Here plus 1 x minus 9x. Next 3. Okay. In this common x. 3x is left. Okay, plus 1. Here also write it same polynomial. 3x plus 1. So here minus 3. X into 3x, 3x square, x into 1, 1x. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay. Next 3x plus 1 polynomial is common. And which terms are left? X minus 3 is left. Okay. These are the factors of given cubic polynomial. What are the factors? X plus 1. First case we got it x plus 1 here. Next 3x plus 1. Next x minus 3. Okay. These are the factors of given cubic polynomial. Thank you.